Hello everyone, you're watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily updates from courts around the country. Starting with Supreme Court of India, the Supreme Court today directed the submission of a concept note with respect to the proposed setting up of an online portal containing information on judicial vacancies and judicial infrastructure on real-time basis. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud asked Advocate K. Parmeshwar to submit the concept note for setting up of a web portal on which all information will be uploaded by high courts and law secretaries of the states, both on positions of judicial appointments and infrastructure including manpower. Our next update is coming from Lakhimpur Kheri incident. The Supreme Court today reserved its verdict on a plea for a bail filed by Ashish Mishra, son of Union Home Minister of State Ajay Mishra, in 2021 Lakhimpur Kheri case in which 8 persons protesting against the farm laws were mowed down by a four-wheeler belonging to Mishra. A bench of Justice Suryakant and J.K. Maheshwari said that the trial in this case might take up to 5 years to conclude and there cannot be indefinite incarceration of the accused. Our next update is coming from Delhi, where the Delhi Rouse Court on Tuesday, while dealing with fake CBI report case, observed that there are no statutory exemptions of India to journalists from disclosing their sources to investigating agencies, if such disclosure is necessary. The investigating agencies can always bring to the notice of journalists the disclosure of the source is essential and vital to the investigation proceedings, the court said. Moving forward, the Delhi High Court recently issued a set of guidelines to shield survivors under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, who have to physically appear in court during arguments on bail and face the accused. The High Court said that it is in the interest of the survivor that she is not traumatized again and again by reliving the incident by being present in the court proceedings. Our last update is coming from Kerala, where the Kerala High Court on Tuesday observed that no one is permitted to snoop into the affairs of their neighbors by installing CCTV surveillance camera, citing security grounds. Justice V.G. Arun directed the State Police Chief to come up with appropriate guidelines to regulate installation of CCTV cameras by individuals. Thank you for watching this video. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.